Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we will see how to identify the momentum in the stocks using the order flow. So the concept of explaining the momentum, each and every people have their own strategies. Many people use their own indicator, and RSI is one of the most famous for identifying the momentum. And still, many indicators are available in this market, and they have been trading from a long time. But when you come to these strategies with the order flow, where you will get the momentum and how to find the proper bottom or the proper top of the trend, then you can be a very safe place to that you should top loss should not be hit at the most of the time. And it doesn't mean that you are using the order flow, your stop loss will not going to hit. Obviously, sometime it will going to hit because there's nothing called 100% working strategy. There is 100% of making a money in the market, but there is no strategy that's work 100%. That is that we call that no loss strategy. There is nothing called no loss strategy. Obviously, you will face some losses. That is a part of the game because it's a probability game, right? So let's come to our topic, and here what we are going to discussing about getting the momentum or how to identify those momentum in the market. So let's discuss what are the possibilities of the momentum that you will get. So when you will get this the buy side momentum or the bullish momentum, according to me there are two possibilities. When sellers are losing their strength, right? This is the first possibility that I think that this is the way when buyers are getting an entry in the market, and they may bring this market to the upside, right? And the second scenario is when the buyers are aggressive, right? When the buyers are aggressively buying the stocks or any trades, that might be the second possibility of getting the momentum in the market at upside. In the same way, in the downside also, there are only two possibilities of getting the momentum market at the downside. The first reason is either the buyers are tired, then only they can get this downtrend momentum. Otherwise, second, when the aggressive selling happening, aggressive selling happening on that place, then we may see a momentum at this downtrend. So I do personally trade only these two, one of my favorite strategy that I do follow and I do teach also. So apart from this, if you know any strategy which will give you the most accurate entry, so please let me know in this comment, and we are happy to learn about those new techniques also. So when it's come to identifying these momentum, so what are the strategy we should follow? See, for that I do follow the first strategy is called absorption, and second one is exhaustion, right? What is the absorption? Absorptions means if you see any uptrend and there is a very huge number of iceberg orders and a very huge number of limit sell order, right? Limited sell order has been placed. At that time the price will going to respect that, and from there the market may face a downtrend. Okay, so the second thing is the exhaustion means the buyers are getting tired, they don't want to participate in the next upcoming move. That's what you may see in this the new trend. They completely got exhausted, that really they don't want to participate. At that time the aggressive sellers you call, or sellers, the normal sellers, they may come and attack these buyers, and they may take this market completely downside. So these are the two possibilities, way of identifying the proper top and proper bottom of this market. In the same way, in the downtrend also, when you see the market at the downside, and when you see a huge number of the iceberg orders and limit buy order has been placed at a particular place, that time the sellers are ready, and at that time what will going to happen, whatever the sellers are punching their orders, all the sell order has been absorbed by the buyers. So if they are trying to, again the buyers are trying to reloading these buying position, then it may sustain as work as a resistance, and we may expect the market to go upside, right? Because the seller strength has been completely got nil, and all the orders has been filled of those sellers. and we may see a rally at this upside. And if we don't see any reloading position at this level, then we may expect this price to come down side, right? So the fact is, here we need to understand what is the capacity or what is the limit of this. The normal buy order has been punched at this place, the limit order has been punched at this place, and what is the strength of these sellers. So it may react as, either you will get to know that either we may see the market breakdown, or again the market is going to continue at upside. So the second possible way is, when the market will going to again retrace it and again come downside for testing this level. At this time, either the strength of the seller are still same as this trend, or they have got a weaker side of the strength. So this is another way to identify either the sellers are stronger or weaker, right? If they are stronger, they may break this level. If they are weaker, then we may say a moment at this upside. So these are the two strategy I personally follow. That in the upcoming video I am going to also share you that how you can identify the absorption and exhaustion, so you can get this exact bottom and exact top of this trend. So this is the two way that I personally trade absorption and exhaustion to get this perfect, or you can call it as a bottom or top of this entry. So order flow is considered one of the most advanced tool that you can use and get entries and exit in this market.